Hi guys, I'm Joanne and welcome to Paint with Harpley. Today we will be illustrating a textured watercolor cupcake on Procreate. The list of supplies and brushes will be in the description below. Sketch out a cupcake with a Procreate pencil on a layer. Lower the opacity and now start painting on a new layer. If you would like my sketch, comment down below. Click on the link to download the free color palette called Arctic Butter. I start with a light brown color outlining the bottom of the cupcake using the main brush. I then use a darker color to draw on the bottom of the cake and a line just below the icing to suggest shadows. Now use the scatter brush in the white spaces, varying the colors already used. For the shadows, use the darkest brown. Using the wet brush under the smudge brush option, let's create the watercolor effect, making sure not to smudge the outlines. To create highlights, use the detail brush with the lightest brown, taking into consideration the light source. On a separate layer, let's start with the icing. With the main brush and the lightest blue, outline the cupcake swirls. Using the same brush with a darker blue, highlight the left of the cupcake swirls. And with a blue-green color, highlight the right and create shadows. Now use the scatter brush in the white spaces, varying the colors already used. Using the wet brush under the smudge brush option, let's create the watercolor effect, making sure not to smudge the outlines. Now to add texture, use the texture brush with a light blue and smudge some of the edges. Then using the main brush, draw a line under the cupcake and smudge it at the bottom to create a faded shadow. Lastly, use the splatter brush using the varied colors. I finally make a minor adjustment at the bottom of the cupcake to make it cohesive. You can now hide the draw layer. Do share with me on social if you decide to do this project. I'd love to see it.